Today I will show you how to make eggplant caviar from Odessa. So you need to take one eggplant and you need to roll it from each side, so it makes cooking faster and it keeps all the juices inside. So make sure you don't make any holes. And you take the eggplant and one sweet pepper and you put it in the preheated oven at 200 degrees, roast peppers for 10 minutes and aubergine for 20 minutes. And after you take the pepper and you put it in the container and keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So now it's very easy to peel the skin from the pepper. This trick I use for any recipes where I need to use the roast pepper. And now you can see it's so easy. And with the aubergine we slice it on a half and we take the spoon and we just need to scrap everything what we have inside of the eggplant, so all the flesh. And you can put it straight away into the mixer or the blender, whatever you're using for this recipe. For the garlic, the easiest way to peel it, you just smash it with a knife and the skin comes up very easily. You take a grater with the smallest grate and you don't just grate like that, but you put a baking paper on top, so it makes it very easy. After the grating, you don't need to really scrape the grate, but you just scrape it everything from the paper. So you take your knife and slowly, gently, you scrape it from the paper and you put it inside of the mixer. With the onion, if you don't like onion, don't use it, but I just add a little bit just for a nice little sharp kick to that. You just need 2 tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. You put everything together in the mixer, you add 3 tablespoons of oil, some basil, and some Italian herbs, salt and pepper. And it's ready to go. And now you just blitz it for 10-15 seconds, depends on your mixer, and it's ready to go. It's very nice, it's very fresh, it's very healthy. Enjoy!